Hi, I'm Dr. Clark, here to discuss the Chiropractic Adjustment, which is a powerful tool for improving the motion and function of our spines and nervous systems. All the adjustments in our office are done by hand to specific segments of the spine that are either out of alignment or stuck in position and pinching or irritating nerve fibers. We may hear a pop or a crack with the adjustment, and that's just the release of pressure from joint spaces. The adjustment is a gentle and effective way to relieve aches and pains by removing pressure from your spine and off your nerves. We practice several gentle techniques here so we can adjust people of all ages, from pregnant moms and babies to senior citizens. We look forward to meeting you and in future videos demonstrating some adjustments here in the office. Thanks.